This that you see, this legacy of the workers have been built, and we spent 12 million rands in refurbishing this building, from the mats to everything that you see that makes you proud as workers. 12 million, they thought that some part of the money would have gone down my pockets. They couldn't find 1 cent. They have every receipt in place. I wonder how many of them can go through the same scrutiny. But then I committed a serious blunder for which I apologized, and I called that blunder an own goal when I fell for a relationship with a COSATU staff member. Suddenly, the old agenda that always existed to remove me was now going to be the platform of using the mistake I committed to achieve political ends.